When will the state of California implement vehicle safety inspections in lieu of the smog inspection? I'm going to go over that in this video. I've been so busy lately, that's why I haven't put out many videos, and honestly, just not much has been changing. So there's nothing to really talk about. We have some California legislation stuff happening in the next week, so hopefully there's going to be some legit updates going on. I'm out here doing a test drive after a repair I've been doing, trying to get these monitors to set. You can see I got the code reader down there, watching the monitors. Hopefully, they'll set while I'm driving, and I just dropped the camera. Safety first, you guys. All right. I've been getting comments about sleeping on some information. People think I'm just sleeping on it because I don't want to be wrong, this and that. But when it comes to vehicle safety inspections, I'm going to go over what's changing or potentially changing in this video, so make sure to stay tuned. But before we go too far, please hit that like button, subscribe, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. Now, what am I talking about? So there's rumors out there that the VSSI system or the vehicle safety inspection is going to be a part of the, we got to switch sides, I need my blinker, is going to be a part of registration in the state of California. And I'm going to tell you straight up right now, CARB is not trying to figure out ways to go around the vehicle or to go around smog inspections. And another thing, in the state of California, it's not CARB that runs the smog inspection system, other than for diesels. They do run the heavy duty program. But for your everyday passenger vehicle that this so-called VSSI or vehicle safety inspection would apply to is actually ran by the Bureau of Automotive Repair in California. There's actually a lot of cops out here. Do you see that one? Look at that. A lot of cops today. So if you contact the Bureau of Automotive Repair or even CARB in the state of California, there is no factual evidence anywhere out there that they are afraid of the smog inspection system going away and wanting to switch over to a vehicle safety inspection in lieu of the smog inspection. It's nowhere out there. So TK is spreading lies. Nothing is factual about this information of this happening. Yes, there is a vehicle safety inspection in the state of California that is in the current or the new STAR smog system, but that safety inspection is only for reviving a salvage title, getting a gray market vehicle out there, I think. There's a few things, and for like trailers, stuff like that. But it's mainly for reviving a salvage title. It has nothing to do with your annual or biannual registration. It's only for special circumstances. Or even like if the CHP gives you a fine for a safety violation, you might need to get a safety inspection. But it has nothing to do with your registration at this time, and there's no plan to make it a part of registration at this time. And guess what? Remember when the greenhouse gas emission standard stuff was changing with the EPA and all that, and I put $1,000 on it with TK and said nothing is going to change because of this? And he's like, why don't you put $10,000 or $1 million on it? Well, he wouldn't bet on it because you know what? He knows he wasn't right, and he's just making this stuff up. On this one, again, vehicle safety inspections, I put $1,000 on this, that nothing is going to be changing in the next year or 2 years. If we're talking about a long-term 5 or 10-year plan, yeah, maybe. But when it comes to something that's going to be changing relatively soon, there's absolutely no plan. All right, get back to this. When you guys are taking in information from other people out there, make sure you get some verifiable links. You'll notice if you follow my channel, in all of the videos where I'm talking about emissions inspections or this vehicle, safety inspections or anything changing when it comes to vehicles, I always provide links for you to go do your own research. Trust me, TK is not in the know. Everything that he has talked about when it comes to smog or emissions has been absolutely wrong. So stop taking his information for reality or factual. He does it to get clicks. Trust me. I guarantee. Go over that again. I guarantee there is going to be no vehicle safety inspections for your registration your annual registration or biannual registration in the state of California, and I'm willing to put some money on it. And I bet TK will say, oh, you're going to put money on it. You'll put $10,000 on it or $1 million on it. I'm absolutely right. He's full of crap. I say $1,000, it's not going to happen. Let's go. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Like, subscribe, share. Check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos. And I will see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.